Our 12 liters Tapioca Boba Pearl Maker. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have at least 18.5 inches. Overall height, we have 12 3/4 inches. Functions and features will be here on the main plate. Got your on and off, the heat preservation, high to low, and every other feature that's shown here. Included will be the scoop, along with a pair of mittens. Removable non-stick pot. And the measurements for this one, we have at least 6 3/4 inches in height by 13 1/4 inches in radius. Your 110, 120 voltage, and the technical information here on the sticker. For more information on this product, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.